Making customers happy is a serious priority for us. So when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're working to try to serve you and our local marketplace. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.